In this video, I will show you how to fix ESPN Fantasy notification not working. So first of all, simply open up your control center. From here, ensure that your notification setting is not set to silent or vibrate. If it is, then simply turn it to ring. The next thing is ensure that do not disturb mode is not turned on. If it is, then turn it off. After that, press and hold on to this fantasy app icon. From here, click on app info. Here you will find manage notifications. Click on it. Here allow notification toggle is turned off. Simply turn it on. Once you turn it on, make sure set as silent is also not turned on and ring and vibrate are turned on. You can even allow it in do not disturb mode if you want. After that, simply press and hold on to the fantasy app icon again. Click on app info. Click on force stop, then confirm it. Then go to storage uses. Click on clear cache. After that, you can go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for ESPN Fantasy Football. From here, check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. And even after all of this, if it's still not working, then simply press and hold on to the app icon, click on uninstall, confirm it, then download the app again from Play Store or App Store and log in, and it should start working. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.